दोनों बहुत अलग फॉर्मेट है, तो प्लेयर्स अलग है, सेटअप अलग है, तो हम वो चीज़ को कैरी नहीं करेंगे। ऑब्वियसली जो टेस्ट टीम के पार्ट थे उनको ऑब्वियसली वो एक डिसअपॉइंटमेंट और हर्ट रहेगा कि हम अच्छा नहीं कर पाए थे गुवाहाटी में और कैलकाटा में, बट इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि वो चीज़ को भूल के अभी कैसे ये सीरीज़ पे हम फोकस करें। सो द कॉन्वर्जेशन वही रहा है कि कैसे हम वनडेज ऑब्वियसली हम चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी से बहुत ज़्यादा वनडे खेले नहीं है, तो बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट रहेगा कि बहुत जल्दी से वो एक रिदम पकड़े और ट्राई एंड गेट दैट मोमेंटम ऑफ प्लेइंग वनडे क्रिकेट एंड परफॉर्मिंग इन ओडीआई क्रिकेट। तो हम लोग सब खेले हुए हैं, तो इट्स जस्ट अबाउट वही बातचीत होता रहेगा कि क्या टैक्टिकल चेंजेस करने पड़ेंगे, कि कैसे माइंडसेट से खेलना पड़ेगा। तो वही चीज़ हम करने के लिए ट्राई करेंगे। ऑब्वियसली सर देखिए, हम सब उनके अंडर खेले हैं, हम सब उनके मतलब फैन भी रह चुके हैं और साथ में खेले हैं, तो वेर ऑल दोस्त है, फ्रेंडशिप है, एंड टू नो समवन लाइक MS इज क्या बोलते हैं, बहुत ही हैप्पी, और वो एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला है टू नो समवन एज बिग एज MS एंड समवन हु इज सो सक्सेसफुल एज एन इंडियन प्लेयर, और वी ऑल रेस्पेक्टेड हिम एज ए ह्यूमन बीइंग। सो अगर वो भी आएंगे मैच देखने तो और क्राउड को और हम लोग को एक्साइटमेंट ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएगा। सो या हैप्पी है, तो क्राउड भी आएंगे तो हम लोग को भी मज़ा आएगा यहाँ खेलने, एंड होपफुली वी कैन विन द गेम, पुट अप अ गुड परफॉर्मेंस, और क्राउड को भी एंटरटेन करे, और MS धोनी को भी he'll also feel happy that we won the game. Finalize नहीं हुआ exact 11, but I will be batting in the same position. तो मैं नंबर 6 पे खेलता आ रहा हूँ चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी से, तो I will be batting there, and obviously ऑलराउंडर्स है, जडेजा है, वॉशिंगटन सुंदर है, नितिश रेड्डी है, तो ये सब ऑप्शंस है हमारे पास। तो विल सी व्हाट द बेस्ट 11 इज, और विल मेक दैट डिसीजन इन द इवनिंग, और कल आप लोग को पता चलेगा। इतने साल से वो वहीं पे खेलते आ रहे हैं, तो वहीं पे खेलेंगे, वो ऑब्वियस सी चीज़ है। मैं डेफिनेटिव आंसर तो नहीं बोल सकता, मैं यही बोल सकता हूँ कि हम ऑब्वियसली अच्छा नहीं खेल पाए एक दो सीरीज से स्पिन बॉलिंग, और वो हम समझते हैं, रिकग्नाइज करते हैं कि ये एक पार्ट ऑफ आवर गेम है, जो अब जो टीम में बैट्समैन है, इट इज़ पार्ट ऑफ लाइक रिकग्नाइजिंग एंड रियलाइजिंग कि हम अच्छा नहीं खेल पा रहे स्पिन। तो इट इज़ यही है कि हम अगर गावस्कर सर ही हो गए तो उनसे बात करके सीख सकते हैं, या वी आर ऑलरेडी ट्राइंग टू फाइंड वेज कि कैसे हम बेटर खेल सकते हैं स्पिन को। तो वो ओवरनाइट तो होगा नहीं, एंड मेरे को आंसर नहीं पता कि पहले क्यों खेलते थे, अब क्यों नहीं खेलते, बहुत सारे रीजंस है इसके लिए, बट हम यही सोच सकते हैं कि हम कैसे बेटर कर पाए एज प्लेयर्स, हम इंडिविजुअली हाउ कैन वी गेट बेटर। एंड जब ऐसे सिचुएशन वापस आएगा 6-7 महीने में, हमारा सीरीज है श्रीलंका में, उसके बाद इंडियन होम सीरीज है ऑस्ट्रेलिया से, सो कैसे हम बेटर कर पाए, व्हाट आर द टेक्निकल चेंजेस वी नीड टू मेक, ये सब चीज़ें हैं दैट विल इंडिविजुअली ट्राई टू सीक आंसर्स एंड ट्राई एंड डू बेटर, एंड दैट्स ऑल वी कैन डू। एंड ऑब्वियसली जैसे आपने कहा पहले बहुत अच्छे स्पिन खेलते थे, तो मे बी विल रीच आउट टू दोज प्लेयर्स, एंड जो हमारे सीनियर्स हैं तो उनसे थोड़ा मतलब सीखने की कोशिश करेंगे। मैंने ऑनेस्टली अभी तक नहीं देखा, बट यहाँ के हिस्ट्री ऑफ ODIs देखते हुए यही हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि अच्छा ही विकेट होगा, रन्स बनेंगे अच्छा, ड्यू का थोड़ा फैक्टर रहेगा सेकेंड इनिंग्स में। सो ये सभी एक दो चीज़ ही है जो हम लोग कल असेस कर पाए, तो उसके हिसाब से विल ट्राई एंड manage our team and tactics in a way where it gives us the best chance to win. We are still discussing. Obviously, इतना time नहीं मिला है from Guwahati to come here to have conversations and fix our 11. We've had a few conversations, me and Gigi bhai, and we'll probably have a little bit of a conversation right now and finalize it today, probably in the evening, and let the players know, whoever is playing, to be ready. Rishabh obviously missed out due to injury, and he again is somebody जो टीम के साथ रहे हैं बहुत टाइम के लिए, एंड सबने देखा है कि what he brings and what he can do for the team. Again, like I answered इनको जैसे बताया, जो प्लेयर्स है ऑलरेडी टीम में जो परफॉर्म करते आ रहे, sometimes you just have to wait for your opportunity, and कल कल ही पता चलेगा आपको कि कौन मैं रहूँगा या वो रहेगा पीछे. बट ऑब्वियसली ही इज़ गुड इनफ टू प्ले एज अ बैटर एज वेल. बट अगर वो है 11 में तो ऑब्वियसली he will take the gloves and I'll be in the field. Taking singles is as important as hitting boundaries in ODI cricket, and in Test match cricket, maybe not as much in T20 format. So that's something that obviously Virat has done so well over his career, and it's something that we've looked at Virat and tried to learn. And even in the dressing room, we all talked to him and Rohit about how we can get better as batsmen, how we can rotate the strike a lot more. So yes, I mean. He's obviously the master at doing that in ODI cricket. So yeah, really happy that he's back in the dressing room, and yeah, he's very excited to be here and play these games. Their importance at any point is huge. To have senior players in the team, obviously makes the dressing room feel a lot more confident, and just having their presence, experience helps out a lot of players in the dressing room and helps out the team. So yeah, really happy that they're here, and yeah, look, I mean, winning is the most important thing, so that's what we're trying to focus on, and try and forget what happened a week ago and focus on the game tomorrow and see how we can put in a collective performance which helps us get a victory, and then go on from here to the next venue and see how we can do that again and try and win this series. So that's the most important thing, and that's what we're thinking about. And having a settled team helps, and having some similar faces helps the dressing room as well. Jaddu's obviously been part of the Indian team for so many years, and he's done the job time and again, and we all know what he can do and what he brings to the table. Yeah, so it's happy. I'm happy to have him back again with the ODI team. He was missed out the Australia series, but he was part of the Champions Trophy as well, and was key in us winning that tournament with bat, with ball, with the field. He's someone who can do everything, and he's someone who's always done everything that the team has required of him. So having his experience, obviously, is great for me as a captain, or whoever is captaining. I think it's great to have players that have experience, have done it time and again. And Rutu, obviously, he's a top class player. We've all seen it with whatever opportunities, limited opportunities he's got. He's really utilized it and shown what he can do. Unfortunately, in ODI cricket, the top 6 or top 5 is quite settled, and they're performing really well. So you feel bad for players that they don't get enough opportunities, but also at the same time, for the guys who are in the team, you feel happy that they're performing and doing the job for the team. So it's unfortunate for the players that miss out. So yeah, now he's gotten his opportunity with a few injuries. So yeah, he will get his opportunity at some stage, and yeah, looking forward to giving him that chance, and letting him show what he can do, and do the job for the team. And there's never a question mark about his skill and how good he is as a player. It's just about the right opportunities, and the right timing hasn't come. So yeah, hopefully this series gives him that opportunity. Just before the announcement, like a day before the announcement, is when I was told that the opportunity might come and I might have to lead. So yeah, I mean, I have captained the side before, and it's something that's very exciting. And yeah, I look forward to enjoying that responsibility. I've always enjoyed responsibility, and go out there and making the right decisions for the team. And that's about it. I don't think too much about it. I obviously have Rohit, Virat, Jaddu, all the senior players around me who will help out. And how we've all played our cricket is to think of it as we're all leaders, and we try and do the best for the team. And I think yeah, that continues whether I'm captain or someone else is captain. It's always a collective effort to doing something in a direction that we have a bigger goal, and what the right direction is for ODI team and for Indian cricket. That's what we all try to do. There's no regret of not trying a different shot. There's a regret of executing what I did. And it's a test format, and and at the stage that I was playing, there was only it was the last few overs of the day, and I don't think that's the right time for me to try and step down and hit the bowler for a boundary. And looking back, yes, maybe I would have, but it was only the second ball of the over, and it was just yeah. I mean, if I'd stepped down and gotten out, maybe that would have been a question mark in my own head as to whether that was right or wrong. So at that point in time, I think defending was the right option to do, which I didn't do well enough. So that's what I take away from that dismissal.